Well, as the number of cases of COVID-19 continue to surge in the national capital, the Delhi government has imposed a 6-day complete lockdown in Delhi to contain the spread of the infection. The lockdown will begin from today midnight and will continue till 5 a.m. on the 26th of April. However, essential services have been exempted from the restriction. Also, weddings will be allowed, but number of people attending the function has now been capped at 50. While addressing a press conference, the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said the lockdown is necessary to break the chain of this transmission. Otherwise, the already overstretched healthcare system is going to now collapse. He's also urged migrants with folded hands not to panic and leave the capital. Anisha Mathur is getting us more details on that story. Anisha, I'm just going to come to you on the last point. What's most disturbing is that we have already pictures of migrant workers going back home because they know that everything is just so up in the air right now. Nobody knows what's happening. There is so much of uncertainty. Will the pleas of the Chief Minister help the migrants now? Will it give some sort of a solace to migrant workers that they are okay? It's just for a week that this lockdown has been imposed.
Well, Sneha, the government has announced this lockdown, and we saw even for the last week we've been seeing as the numbers of cases rise in the capital. The migration had already begun in the last couple of days. In fact, over the weekend lockdown, we saw busloads of workers trying to leave the city. Right now, what the government has done is the 6-day lockdown, where essential services are going to continue. In fact, weddings are going to continue. Government offices will be closed, but a lot of government offices which are accounted as essential services will continue to remain open. The Chief Minister, of course, has made a personal request to all the migrant workers to not go back home, to not try and go back home, particularly as the lockdown guidelines very clearly say that only the people with confirmed tickets for trains or airplanes will be allowed to travel on the road. People who do not have confirmed tickets will face fines. So that is going to be one more thing that anybody who is trying to flee the city will have to remember. What is interesting, however, Sneha, is that the crowds of people at grocery stores and liquor shops has begun. We are currently at Daryaganj, and behind me you can see one of the Sarkari liquor stores, and you can see people trying to stock up even though there is only a 1-week lockdown. People are basically stocking up. Behind the liquor store is also a chemist, which is also seeing a lot of people come in. Beyond that, I don't think you can see that in the visuals, but at an ATM as well, there are long lines now. So people are getting worried about how they're going to manage. So ATMs, liquor stores, grocery stores are all seeing a lot of lines as the lockdown for 1 week has been announced in the capital city.
All right. Anisha, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you for more on that important story. That's an announcement that has come in from Delhi Chief Minister this afternoon.
कि दिल्ली का हेल्थ सिस्टम बड़ी मात्रा में और अधिक पेशेंट्स अब लेने में असमर्थ है। अगर हमने अभी लॉकडाउन नहीं लगाया तो कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि बड़ी त्रासदी हो जाए। हम किसी भी हालत में दिल्ली को उस परिस्थिति में नहीं ले जाना चाहते जहां कॉरिडोर के अंदर पेशेंट्स पड़े हैं, सड़कों पे लोग दम तोड़ रहे हैं। आज सभी परिस्थितियों का जायजा लेने के बाद आपकी सरकार को ये लगता है कि दिल्ली में कुछ दिन के लिए लॉकडाउन लगाना ज़रूरी है, तो आज रात को 10 बजे से अगले सोमवार को सुबह 5 बजे तक 6 दिन के लिए दिल्ली में लॉकडाउन लगाया जा रहा है। दिल्ली के अंदर कोरोना की परिस्थिति काफ़ी गंभीर है। अभी तक हमने दिल्ली के अंदर हेल्थ सिस्टम को बड़े अच्छे तरीके से मैनेज किया। दिल्ली में चौथी वेव आई है, आज 25,000 केस आए हैं। अब दिल्ली का हेल्थ सिस्टम अपनी सीमा तक पहुंच गया है। हमारा हेल्थ सिस्टम अब बहुत ज़्यादा तनाव में है। मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि हमारा हेल्थ सिस्टम अभी कोलैप्स किया है, लेकिन आज हमारा हेल्थ सिस्टम बहुत ज़्यादा तनाव में है। पिछली बार जब देश में लॉकडाउन लगा था, हमने देखा कि किस तरह बड़ी संख्या में प्रवासी मजदूर अपने गांव जाने लगे थे। उनसे मैं ख़ास तौर से हाथ जोड़ के अपील करना चाहता हूँ, ये छोटा सा लॉकडाउन है, 6 दिन का, दिल्ली छोड़ के मत जाइएगा। आपके आने जाने में इतना समय खराब हो जाएगा, इतना पैसा खराब हो जाएगा, इतनी ऊर्जा खराब होती है। दिल्ली में रहिए, मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये छोटा लॉकडाउन है और छोटा ही रहेगा। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि शायद बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े। आप दिल्ली में रहिए, यकीन मानिए हम पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ सब मिल के लड़ेंगे तो जल्दी इस मुसीबत से छुटकारा पाएंगे। मैं आपको यकीन दिलाता हूँ, सरकार आपका पूरा ख्याल रखेगी।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.